So this is stage one of the build. We are splitting it up a little bit for him. And what we've done is a JMACX 3900 Leaf GVM kit for this vehicle. We have added some airbags. I will show you guys that real quick. So what you are getting with that is a 3-inch kit on the Leaf kit with this one. If you can see down the bottom, got some nice SA5 gold radius arms as well, which are going to go with the 3-inch system on this. Now, don't forget, if you do a Leaf GVM and you do go to the 3-inch height, legally we can do the 35-inch tire option. So it is a good option for those guys that want to run 33s but move to a 35 if they want to do some little bit more off-roading type stuff. So you can do that and still be within the parameters of the SSM as well. So that is the good thing about going to the 3-inch lift rather than staying at the 2-inch topper space. Anyway, enough about that. So Leaf GVM in, because it is a 39 on this one, we did not do a clutch with this system. But let's have a quick look at what we have done on the back, because we do have a full Boss Aluminium tray canopy package. So let's go down there. I'll swing a door open and you guys can have a quick look. Any further, water inlet. So you do have a 60-litre water tank underneath the tray. That is your water in. And we've got one-piece guards on this particular M4 tray. Toolboxes. Now, in this box, we have got our air up system. So we've got a ARB twin compressor air tank, little manifold here because we are running the Airbag Man in-cab controls. So our solenoid system is in here as well. I'm trying to get my words straight today. And then we are running airbags on the vehicle at Brad's request as per his build. So we've hidden away all of our air up stuff in there, and our outlets and everything are on the rear of the vehicle. Open the door. OMG. All right, so this is the canopy that is coming from Boss Aluminium these days. It is the modular system, so M spec, M being modular, because of all of the adjustable points that you can do in the canopies. So we do have the Clearview bolt-in fridge slide setup happening here as well. This is all manufactured by Boss down in Melbourne. Drops the slide straight in, bolts straight down, happy days, you're done. Do have the protector on the back there as well, so if you're throwing gear in here or on the back side, your fridge is gonna stay where it needs to be and not be basically invaded by all your gear. But just so you are aware, guys, these partitions are movable. So if you did want to buy a canopy and actually have a full blank canopy, you can do that as well. So you can literally do whatever you like with that. But really, really awesome bit of kit. These guys don't muck around when it comes to the quality of their finish. So you can guarantee yourself you're getting a good bit of equipment from those guys at Boss as well. So if you didn't know, we are the Queensland distributor for those guys. Let us know if you want anything Boss. All right, up top we've got the roof rack system as well. Great for mounting rooftops or just using it as a roof rack. So happy days. All right, what we did do for Brad though, we got the Toyo RTs. This is the 33, so it's a 285/70/17 wrapped around the Assaults, ROH Assaults. As you can see, we've got JMACX diff housing in the back, so that's track corrected. That does come with your Leaf GVM system, so that's all part of the kit when you do that through the JMACX system. But that's it for stage one of the vanilla white Landcruiser. So we'll keep you guys up to date with what happens next on this one, so keep an eye out for it, and like, share, subscribe, do all those types of things for me because it really helps us out on the YouTubes. All right, guys. I'll catch you the next time that we walk over a car. Bye. Brad's car's done for stage one. Leaf GVM has gone in. Yeah, Carlin. The pop of the thing.